Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I have one water heater. Customer has given me for repair. There is no power. I have checked. This problem is no power. Let's see. Turn it on. No power. Yeah. No power at all. So let's see what is the problem. We have to remove these screws. Okay, dear viewers. So let's see. Let's at first we test the cable. Cable is okay or not. So this positive. From positive, just come here. Yeah, okay, there is. Can you see? Yeah, positive is okay. Then negative is negative from here to here. Okay, this also okay. Then there is heating element. Yeah, there's two heating element. So let's see the heating element. First is okay. Then second also okay. This is the controller. Let's see the controller. Controller also okay. There is a thermal fuse. Yeah, can you see it? Thermal fuse. Yeah, this is the heater. Yeah, two heater, for terminal. Okay, heater is okay. This is the thermal fuse. Oh, fuse has gone. See, there is also one more fuse inside. This is also thermal fuse. So this fuse is okay, but main fuse is controlling the temperature. If it is too hot, automatic disconnect, and if it is cool, it will connect again. This thermal fuse, this has gone. Yeah, this has gone, and that's it. There is no more anything else. So this is the main thermal fuse. Just come from negative here. Okay, from here we have continuity, but if I go that side, then no continuity. So that means it has gone. Dear viewers, this is also a fuse, one kind of thermal fuse. It's a for safety, using in the body for safety. If it is too hot, or if there's any problem burning mode or something, then automatic will turn off by this. So let's see, now I'll test it. Yeah, There's no continuity. Yeah, there's no continuity. This is this fuse is 130 degree Celsius, KSD301. So 130 degree Celsius. It will work 130 degree Celsius. If it is more than 130 degree Celsius, then automatically disconnect. Okay, dear viewers, I have 160 thermal fuse. Let's see continuity. Can you see the continuity? Yeah. So it's good. I can use it. I'll fix there because the last time there was a screw. Now I have to fix connector because cannot use it. Okay, dears, after I connect this, then video will be back. Okay, dear viewers, I have fixed there the thermal fuse. Okay, so let's connect it. Last time there was a screw, but I cannot use it screw. That's why I have connect the connector. So if you connect like this, please don't use tap here. You have to use connector because here is very hot. So okay, dear viewers, I have connect the connector. So let's see if everything is okay. Then inshallah there will be light. So connect it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, dear viewers, there is light. Can see. You see, here is light. So Alhamdulillah, it's working fine. Hopefully, let's see if it's hot or not. Yeah, it's hot. So water is heater is common problem is thermal fuse there is for safety they use thermal fuse. So there are two thermal fuse. Yeah, this can call thermostat also, thermostat thermal fuse, and this is the thermal fuse using in the rice cooker. There's two, but both are different, not same. And there is a heating element, and there is a thermostat also switch. this is temperature controller. So that's it, nothing else. So anyway, alhamdulillah, it's working fine. Thank you, dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.